Hello and welcome to a video where I'm going to be making a very good aeroplane. And yes, I came across it earlier when I was just messing about with the paper, but yeah, all you're going to need is a sheet of printer paper, and yeah, let's get started. So what you want to do is you want to make a crease in the middle, just like that. And you want to open it up and just do the same on the other side. Just gonna easier to go like this. Just doing it in half because you've already got the other crease to base it on. And when you've done that, just open it up and then fold in the front corners down. Make sure it's really neat, because neatness counts in this one. So fold that bit down, and then what you want to do is fold it down just like that, making sure it's got about 1.25 inches from the point to the bottom, just about 1.25 inches, so bear that in mind. And then just fold it across the top, and then along this point, just there, you want to fold it so it goes up along that line. So just so it makes it up to the top. And when you've done that, just flip them all over. And now here is the tricky part. Very tricky. You've got to watch out on this part. You've got to get this part, this bit here, and fold it. It doesn't matter where this part goes, just doesn't matter. And then you've got to fold it like you're folding down the corners at the start, just so the line goes along the middle line, just like that. So get the corner piece, and you want to fold it downwards into the middle, and then just fold it over. And you have that side. Make sure the creases are really done up hard, so when you unfold it and you do the other side, then you can see the creases. So yeah, now you just need to do the other side. And then just unfold them both, and with these two, just fold it down to the middle side with both of them, just like so. Okay. This part is probably the trickiest part yet. So you have these parts. Make sure those flappy bits there stay out. And then you just got to get this part at the front, just this part here, and then fold it down into the middle, making it, you need to just got to separate those parts there away from the model and just push it down. This part is really tricky, so watching me won't help. Alright, then when you have that, you're ready to move on. Okay, so you should have something looking like that at the moment, and then we're nearly done. All you need to do is fold it in half straight down the middle. This won't work if you have a sheet of card paper, because card paper is too thick. You need a sheet of printer paper, or else it won't work, because printer paper is thin. And yeah, right, so when you have the model looking like that, halved, all you simply need to do is just get one side and fold it down so that line meets the bottom line, edges to edges. So just line up. And then do the same thing to the other side. Just line it up. And then, there you have it. So you undo it. It might not look like a good flying machine, but it does fly very, very well. You might not think it does according to the front, but yeah, it does fly amazingly well. I was messing about with the paper earlier and I found that. So yeah, it doesn't look so nice, but it does fly good when you throw it. So, there it is. I like to call it the nose, what should I call it? The nose, I don't know, leave a comment in the description, or you can just see the title of what it's called. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye 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 bye.